Today our topic is how to cultivate a powerful presence. A powerful presence is not about being loud or dominating others. It's about being calm, confident, and authentic. It is about how you carry yourself, how you speak, and how you make others feel. A strong presence can open doors, build trust, and inspire others. But how do you develop it? Let's talk about some steps you can take to build a presence that leaves a lasting impression. First, understand that presence starts with self-awareness. You need to know who you are, what you stand for, and what you want. Without this clarity, it is hard to project confidence. Take time to reflect on your values, your strengths, and your goals. Ask yourself, what do I believe in? What am I good at? What do I want to achieve? When you know these answers, you can move through the world with purpose. This purpose will show in your actions and your words. People will notice it. Second, work on your body language. Your body speaks before you do. Stand tall with your shoulders back and your head held high. This posture shows confidence. Make eye contact when you speak to someone. Eye contact shows you are present and engaged. Avoid fidgeting or looking around nervously. These habits can make you seem unsure. Instead, practice being still and calm. When you move, do it with intention. Your body language should match your words. If you say you are confident, your body should show it too. Third, learn to listen. A powerful presence is not just about talking. It is about listening deeply. When someone speaks, give them your full attention. Do not interrupt or think about what you will say next. Just listen. This shows respect and makes the other person feel valued. People will remember how you made them feel, and they will associate that feeling with you. Listening also helps you learn. You can gain new ideas and perspectives by paying attention to others. Fourth, speak with clarity and confidence. When you talk, be clear about your message. Do not use too many words or fill your sentences with or oh. These habits can make you seem unsure. Instead, take a moment to think before you speak. Choose your words carefully. Speak slowly and clearly. This will make your words more powerful. Also, do not be afraid of silence. Silence can be a tool. It gives weight to your words and shows you are in control. Fifth, practice emotional control. A powerful presence is calm and steady. It does not get easily upset or angry. Life will throw challenges at you, but you can choose how to respond. Stoicism teaches us that we cannot control everything that happens to us, but we can control how we react. When something goes wrong, take a deep breath and think before you act. Do not let your emotions take over. Stay calm and focused. This will show others that you are strong and reliable. Sixth, be authentic. Do not try to be someone you are not. People can sense when you are being fake, and it will make them lose trust in you. Instead, embrace your true self. Share your thoughts and feelings honestly. Admit when you do not know something. Show your vulnerabilities. Authenticity is powerful because it is rare. When you are real, people will respect you and feel connected to you. Seventh, take care of yourself. Your presence is affected by your physical and mental health. If you are tired, stressed, or unhealthy, it will show. Make time for exercise, good food, and rest. Meditate or practice mindfulness to clear your mind. When you feel good, you will look good, and your presence will shine. Eighth, be kind and respectful. A powerful presence is not about intimidating others. It is about inspiring them. Treat everyone with kindness and respect, no matter their position or status. When you are kind, people will feel safe around you. They will trust you and want to follow you. Kindness is a sign of strength, not weakness. Ninth, keep learning and growing. A powerful presence comes from a place of knowledge and experience. Read books, take courses, and seek out new challenges. The more you learn, the more confident you will become. Growth also means stepping out of your comfort zone. Do things that scare you. This will build your resilience and make you stronger. 10th, be patient. Building a powerful presence takes time. You will not change overnight, and that is okay. Focus on small steps and celebrate your progress. Over time, these small changes will add up. You will become more confident, more authentic, and more inspiring. Remember, a powerful presence is not about being perfect. It is about being real, being present, and being the best version of yourself. Now, let's talk about why all of this matters. A powerful presence can change your life. It can help you in your career, your relationships, and your personal growth. In your career, it can make you stand out. People will notice you and remember you. They will want to work with you and follow your lead. In your relationships, it can build trust and connection. People will feel comfortable around you and want to be close to you. In your personal growth, it can give you the confidence to chase your dreams and face your fears. But a powerful presence is not just about you. It is about the impact you have on others. When you have a strong presence, you inspire others to be their best selves. You show them what is possible. You give them hope and courage. This is the true power of presence. It is not about dominating others. It is about lifting them up. So, how do you start? Start small. Pick one area to focus on, like your body language or your listening skills. Practice it every day until it becomes a habit. Then move on to the next area. Over time, you will see a change in yourself and in how others see you. Remember, this is a journey, not a race. Be patient with yourself and keep going. Finally, remember that a powerful presence is not about being someone you are not. It is about being the best version of yourself. You do not need to be loud or outgoing to have a strong presence. You just need to be real, confident, and kind. When you are true to yourself, your presence will shine. So, take a deep breath, stand tall, and step into the world with confidence. You have the power to create a presence that inspires and uplifts others. Start today.